Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Jessica and today I am bringing you my first impressions of the Arteza Gouache set that I got in my recent birthday haul. If you have not seen that video, you can check that out. So let's get right into it. I'm so excited to get these, and the packaging is so pretty. So some little things I just wanted to point out to you on the paint tubes is they each have these squares. One of them's an outline, meaning that tube of paint is transparent. The filled in square means that that paint is opaque, so it will cover everything underneath it. And then the half filled in square means it's semi-opaque or semi-transparent, however you want to look at it. The plus signs to the left of that square, I believe, indicate light fastness, and the pigment information is listed underneath, and they do have a number listed to the right, but I believe that's just a number of what they are in the set. So I tried to look on the Arteza website regarding this information and I could not find anything. So I was a little disappointed about that because I don't know if what I'm telling you is correct. I'm just going based off of what I've had seen on other packaging for paints. So if that is incorrect, or if you have a link to the Arteza specific website regarding this information, that would be great. Please leave it in the comments below because like I said, I could not find it. So the next thing I wanted to do was test out these paints in my Moleskine watercolor sketchbook. So this is 300 GSM paper that is in the sketchbook. And I'm just doing a little dot of every single color in the set. Then I just took a little bit of water and just swatched each of the colors out to see what they look like on the paper and when mixed with some water. And I was pretty happy. They were very pigmented and intense and worked very well with the water. It also has a good variety of color. This is after several days of letting this dry in my sketchbook. I wanted to see how well the paints would reactivate with water, and they reacted quite well. I didn't have any trouble using water to get them wet again and use them to make a painting. Here I'm just doing a couple different colors, almost like a braid. But there's two different types of gouache. Acrylic gouache, which behaves more like acrylic paint, meaning you can't re-wet it, and once it's dry, it's there. And the other type is a water-soluble gouache, meaning it acts like an opaque watercolor. So this is the water-soluble gouache and works really well with watercolors. So here I just took a couple minutes to sketch out a face because I've been practicing my faces lately. I was not using a reference or anything, I just drew this from my head really quick. I wanted to use the gouache colors in a mini painting, and because I didn't have a lot of the gouache, I was just using the gouache from the page. It is kind of thin and I treated it more like watercolor, so I do have a proper gouache painting that I plan on doing and playing with the colors more. So this is kind of just like a first impressions video, and so far I'm really liking everything. I'm excited to dive right in and make a painting using these, but I just gotta play around a little more with them before I do that. If you have any questions about the Arteza Gouache, please leave them in the comments below and I will be sure to answer them if I can. Other than that, I hope you guys have a good week, and thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!